we always show y'all what it look like when it's sunny and beautiful outside, but let me show y'all how it look when it get rough, okay? It's supposed to get real windy out here, so I'm out here taking a walk. My daughter outside playing while it's sunny. It's a little bit windy right now, but when I show y'all what it look like, we're supposed to get like a lot of wind, y'all. So I got to get my outside time in because we might have to stay inside for a couple days. I mean, not completely stay inside, but like as far as sitting outside, no. And the temperature's supposed to drop, but we'll see. Y'all, it's so windy out here. You probably can't tell. Don't tell me my head shaking, my hair is pulled up, but if you don't get yourself right, you will get sand in your eyes, bro. Like, so this vaccine, we keep some of our, like mostly all of our bulkier items in there, and we decided to flatten it, take the poles down out of it and pull the tarp over it, like over top of it, and then put the tires down so that way like it won't blow. Yeah, I see, but yeah, that's what we're doing right here.
I'm crazy, I don't know. Oh! Oh! Fail. Yeah. It's crazy. So crazy. Oh God.
And this is where I messed up in 3, 2, 1.
Look at her.
We are very new to this lifestyle and we're learning so much. So this is just a part of the journey, and we just wanted to share these moments with y'all of us figuring out how we gonna cover up our tent and keep our stuff safe inside. But yeah, I was tired. I needed to get up. I needed some help. Calling for the wind gusts for about 54 miles per hour. But this how the view used to look. That's where the mountain used to be, but now it's all covered up. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video.